In this lesson, we'll learn how to use Rotate tool in Adobe Illustrator. After creating an object, if you want to rotate an object to change its orientation, you can use Rotate tool in Adobe Illustrator. To begin with, first let's create a new document. Go to File, click New, and click OK. Now let's draw one rectangle here. Let's change the fill color. Let's change it to orange. Now let's grab ellipse tool and draw one circle somewhere here. Hold shift key and draw circle. And let's change the fill color. Let's change it to blue. Then let's move the circle somewhere here. There are different ways to rotate an object. We can use selection tool to rotate the objects. For example, you can use selection tool to rotate the object. Select the object using selection tool. Position the pointer outside and near the bounding box unless the pointer changes to curved arrow, and then drag to rotate the object. You can also hold the shift key and drag, and it will rotate to 45-degree angle. We can also use free transform tool to rotate an object. Let's select the free transform tool from Tools panel and position the pointer anywhere outside the bounding box. Then you will notice a curved arrow, and then drag to rotate the object. You can also hold shift key and drag to 45-degree angle. We can also rotate multiple objects at the same time. Let's select both the object, then position the pointer, and we can drag and rotate the objects. Now we will rotate an object by a specific angle. To do that, first select the object, then double click on Rotate tool on Tools panel, or you can go to Object, Transform, and select Rotate from here. And we will notice Rotate dialog box appears on our document window. Enter the rotation angle in the angle text box here. For example, let's enter 45 degree. Click preview. Then you will notice that the object is positioned to 45-degree angle. Let's try with 180 degree. Then we can see the object is positioned to 180 degree. Click OK. Now we will use Rotate tool to rotate an object. To do that, first select the object using selection tool. Select Rotate tool from Tools panel, or you can press R on your keyboard. Now first, let's rotate the object around its center point. To do that, drag the object in a circular motion. As we have kept our reference point centered, we can see that we can drag the object around the center anywhere in the document window. You can also hold shift key to rotate to 45-degree angle. Then when you hold shift key and rotate the object, then you will notice that the object rotates to 45-degree angle. To rotate a copy of the object instead of object itself, select Rotate tool first in the Tools panel, hold Alt key and click the point around which the object should rotate. For example, if you click here in the center, then Rotate dialog box will appear. Then we can specify the angle here, and we can click copy to rotate a copy of the object. Let's try with 45-degree angle, then click copy. Then we can see a copy of the object is rotated to 45-degree angle. Hold Alt key, click again here, and we can copy, and click here again, copy, and we can do the same if you want multiple objects to be copied at same angle. Now, using Rotate tool and few basic shapes, let's try to create a flower. First, let's create a new document here. Grab Ellipse tool from Tools panel and draw a oval shape somewhere here. Let's change the field color to yellow. Then again grab Ellipse tool from Tools panel and draw a circle here holding Shift key. Let's change the field color to orange. Then move the circle somewhere here. So as we did before, select Rotate tool first from Tools panel, then hold Alt key and click once on the reference point, and that will bring Rotate dialog box. Let's enter 45-degree in angle text box, then click copy. Then we can see a copy of an object here. And you can follow the same step until you get a flower on your board. Now you can see a simple flower created on your board using Rotate tool and other basic shapes. So this is all about how to use Rotate tool in Adobe Illustrator.